Hello guys, welcome back to Layla's channel. Today we're going to be doing the color chemistry set that you guys, if you want to do this science experiment, please go get this chemistry set. It's called color chemistry set. And then you get to pick, we make colors. So after you make your colors, you got to pick how much black you want to do. Anything between 5 and 10, and I pick 9, so I'll put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 drops of black. I'll take my paintbrush and dip it in the black and paint. I'll paint 1, 2, 3 streaks of black, and then my mom's gonna leave the paintbrush and fill up this little thing with water. Pipette with water. And then you're gonna drop it on the lines. And this is, what do you guys think black is true color is? And here it is. Black, true color. It's a mixture of colors. Is it pretty cool? It's so cool. So you guys make sure to subscribe to my channel and make sure to leave a thumbs up down below. Thanks for watching. Bye.